So a few weeks ago I bought this second-hand Ultra Bee from Facebook Marketplace. I paid just over £3.5 for this bike and it looked good from afar, but it was far from good. When I had a closer look around the bike, I could clearly see why the seller was selling this so cheap. It had a huge dent in the front wheel. Near enough all the plastics were scratched or broken. The front brake lever was completely snapped off, and the brake itself doesn't hold any kind of pressure. Now, none of those things really bothered me because I knew I was going to turn this bike into something special and just kind of make it my own. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this video today. First off, we're going to start with some of the minor bits like the plastics. We're also going to get this bike ready to make it road legal. And then finally, we're going to put on something that is going to completely transform this bike. It's kind of one of the reasons I really wanted an Ultra Bee. So hopefully we're going to turn this thing from a beast into an absolute beauty whilst also making it even more of a beast. Let's jump straight into it. So first up, we're going to replace the front mudguard. Obviously it's all scratched up, so I've gone ahead and ordered a carbon fibre effect. I know this isn't going to be to everyone's taste, but as we've already got carbon fibre on the bike, I thought it would match in quite nicely. I will eventually put a sticker kit over the whole bike anyway, so just something that's going to fit for the time being. So to do so, we just need to take out these bolts, slide the old mudguard out, pop the new one in and replace the bolts, and job done. And check it out, it is looking fresh. Looks so much nicer. Again, like I said, it's not to everyone's taste, but it will do for the time being until I get a graphics kit for it. So next up, let's go ahead and replace the rear mudguard as well. Exactly the same thing. I've gone ahead and ordered a carbon fibre effect one for the back as well, just so everything's matching, nice and neat and tidy. Let's get it on the bike. That's the mudguard all fitted. So next up, I'm going to fit a nice little tail tidy on the back of the bike in preparation for being road legal. Got this one online, nice and simple to fit, just 4 bolts. It's got this cool little feature here, not too sure what that's all about, but it might come in useful in the future, if you know what I mean.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Also got these bougie little sequential indicators as well to go on the back. Nice and simple, just in the holes, put the bolts through and then connect into the original wiring. I went for the OEM light, just bought this online for about 15 quid. Quite nice because it comes with the number plate light on the bottom as well, and it's got the original OEM connector on there. So all the holes line up perfectly, so there's no messing about, no drilling, and just simply just plug it straight in. And the last little mod we're going to do is just cut these old grips off with a knife, and then we'll just pop on some new Pro taper ones. Okay, so that is all the minor little bits done on the bike, the plastics, the grips and things like that. Tail tidies come out really nice, to be fair. It's nice and solid, super easy to fix, and quite happy with those indicators as well. That whole setup there probably cost me about 30 quid. That's including the lights and the tail tidy. So that's a huge step forward in terms of when we get this bike road legal. But there is one more thing that I feel we need to do to this bike to really set it apart. I've done it to all my other bikes, and that is to get a fresh set of new shoes for the Ultra Bee. Wait until you see what I've got. And here they are. Check those bad boys out. A fresh set of 17-inch Supermoto wheels from WGT Racing. These things are absolutely huge. I cannot get over how good they look. WGT Racing have smashed it yet again. So I've got the anodised red hubs with the black spokes, anodised red nipples and the black rim, and probably the biggest tyre that you can fit on a Surron Ultra Bee. I just can't get over how big this thing is. Massive shout out to WGT Racing. If you are looking for a set of wheels for your e-moto, Surron Talaria, then go over and check out their website. I'm going to put a link in the description. I'm also going to put a little discount code for you guys as well. So if you are after a set of wheels, it can save you a bit of money as well. So go and check down in the description box. I guess there's only one thing left to do, and let's get these absolute monster of a wheels on this bike and see how it looks. And that is the first wheel all made up. These things look absolutely sick. I've gone for a 54.2 sprocket on there, which is absolutely massive as well. But yeah, it just looks so nice. I'm just praying that these things now fit onto the back of the bike. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this on there. So the back wheel is all on. My God, that thing is absolutely massive, but it looks so sick. Just got to get the front one done now. I do have a bit of an issue. The chain is rubbing on the wheel, as you can see there. So I did kind of expect that. I'm gonna have to dish the wheel out a little bit in order for that to fit, but it's looking so nice. It is absolutely massive on the back of that. So going ahead and get the front one on, and then we'll get a little montage of the bike all finished. There we are, the bike is complete, the wheels are on, this thing looks absolutely sick now, ready to hit the streets. So let's go ahead and get a little montage of the bike. So there we are, what a difference these wheels have made to this bike. I'm absolutely over the moon with the look of this thing. WGT Racing have absolutely smashed it yet again. Like I said, I've put a link in the description if you want to get some wheels for your bike, and if you use my code at checkout, you're going to save yourself a load of money as well. So massive shout out to WGT Racing. A massive shout out to you guys for watching this video till the end. If you've enjoyed it, please go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't done already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too for me. But yeah, cheers guys, and I will see you in the next one. Take it easy.